Hello everybody. So, as you know, I'm a woodworker, and as you may know, I live in Japan in a second-story Japanese apartment. And I just kind of want to take some time in this video to talk about what it's like woodworking in your kitchen in a second-story Japanese apartment. And I'm doing this right now because I'm actually going to be moving next week. So this is my current woodworking shop tour, and next video will probably be my new and hopefully improved woodworking shop tour. So here is my bench. Oopsie. I do not keep a handle on my vise because I don't like running into it when I am not woodworking. So I just slip it in and screw it when I need to. And yeah, my original table in this apartment was absolutely terrible.
This is my current workbench, and I hate it so much.
If I wanted to like even write a letter, or no one writes letters, write anything, it would wobble. And that's definitely not conducive for doing woodworking yet. So I tore it up and went to the hardware store and made myself this extremely stable table. Very happy I did that. Here is the rest of my woodworking stuff. I have tools, chisels, big tools, small tools, medium tools, drill, some Dorodango I'm making, saws, sander, another drill, and that's really all there is to it. Oh, also, wood storage up there too. And I also have, because my neighbor is very nice, he lets me store some wood out here. So that's literally the entire apartment. So the thing is, it is entirely possible to do woodworking in this tiny area in my kitchen. I did build a specialty table, but that was kind of a personal project that I just really wanted to do. It's an absolute pain to have to take out all my tools anytime I want to do anything. Gets my entire apartment covered in wood dust, and then if I want to make dinner or even just a snack, to put it all back, wipe down everything, or else I'm eating all said sawdust. But it's entirely possible, and woodworking's always fun, not always. Incredibly frustrating at times. Having to do that's also incredibly frustrating, but I'm glad I do it because it's worth it. Woodworking is always worth it. Not always fun, always worth it. So if you find yourself in a tiny apartment, and like me, you have to limit yourself on when you can do all the hammering and chiseling and sawing and whatnot because you don't want to annoy the downstairs neighbors, still do it. It's always a good idea, but also try and be a good neighbor. So in my next apartment, I'm going to try and soundproof it as much as possible. And hopefully that means I can do woodworking whenever I feel like it, because the mood normally strikes me kind of late at night, and I don't want to annoy the upstairs neighbors this time. But yeah, I think that's pretty much all there is for this video. Thanks for watching, and if you liked it, it's kind of a short one, but if you liked it, like, subscribe, all that stuff. Share if you really liked it. Don't really know why you do that on this one, but oh well. And as always, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Bye.